stand him up. It just came back from the powder coater. It's completely, everything's done on it. I've got the set of factory A-arms, but I decided not to use them, so I'm gonna change them over to a new, the Fireball ones. My light back in here though. This is my personal rider here. Like I said, biggest set of A-arms on it, the swing arm, Elka suspension, everything on it. Go ahead and walk around. This is the light back. It's a 2006. It's been rode 5 times. And I've rode it 3 of the times it's been rode.
See, you talk like you don't like the bike.
No, not that I don't like it. It is just super, super rare.
I just been telling him, yeah, he got, oh, shit.
Yeah, that one there
You want to go back on the bike?
that one there is probably worth somewhere in the neighborhood of about $13,000 to $15,000.
I'm just giving this side by side. I said we go back on bikes no more.
Yep, it is all factory. It's never been restored. Everything you see is the way it came out of Yamaha.
Don't give me a bike. I told him I ain't riding no more.
So you gonna go on the bike?
I like my side by sides, but man, there's just something about it too. There's something about a quad. Like I said, son's KTM. I don't know when the last time that bike's been rode. It just sits there. But he wanted it. He bought it, and so you want.
Just don't convert fully over to the bikes on me. I'm still using on the wire harness.
No. No, this is just my toys that I enjoy playing with. And I've got the Cutlass in here if I never get around to getting time. I finished up the swap on it. I don't know when in the world I'm ever going to get around to it, though.
Doing it for yourself?
No, it's customers. I've got the motor and everything in, pretty much everything's wired up.
You want to stop?
No, the motor that's in it, I built for my son's S10 that we were going to build. It is a LM33 Luna Block 5.
I got plenty of them.